Let's continue with the second problem, which is related to advance tax payment. Yes, Mr. Ajay has the following estimated incomes for the financial year. Business income have been given, income from house property is given, income from other sources has been given directly. Whenever there is income related items, it means income ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬೀನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ in the previous problem we discussed about the dividend which comes under the head other sources, but here it has been directly said that incomes which is already been computed, so need not to worry about the other adjustments. Here we can directly calculate the problems. Yes, we'll solve the problem now. Problem related to second problem. As the advance tax will be nil relating to salary, we'll start with the income from HP, that is house property. Income from house property amount is rupees 1,20,000. Next income will be the income from business and profession. Business income is rupees 4,90,000. Next comes income from capital gains. There is no information regarding the capital gains in this problem. The last is income from other sources. Other sources is 30,000. So total of all these will be gross total income. Total will be around 6,40,000 minus gross total income. We have to give some deductions related to 80C to 80U under section 6 chapter 6A. As the problem is completely silent regarding the deductions, it will be nil. Carry forward the same amount. This amount becomes estimated gross total income. From the estimated gross total income, rebate is to be given. Rebate is applicable only when this estimated gross total income is less than rupees 3,50,000. Now for us estimated gross total income crosses 3,50,000 and hence rebate cannot be available. So 6,40,000 is the total income of the SSC. Total of all the heads minus deductions will be the total income of the SSC. So this is the first step. Second step will be the calculation of tax liability. First we have to ascertain whether he is the individual SSC is individual or company or firm. In the problem it is stated that he is Mr. Ajay. So therefore it is clearly understood that he is an individual. Therefore for computing the tax liability, slab rates is applicable. That is up to rupees 2,50,000 completely nil. Next rupees 2,50,000 to 5 lakh calculated at the prescribed percentage of 5%. So take the difference, 2,50,000 into 5%, around 12,500 will be the amount. So up to 5 lakhs it has been calculated, but our total income is more than 5 lakh, and hence next 5 lakh to 10 lakh computed at the prescribed percentage of 20%. So we will note down that total income is 6,40,000. Among that already 2,50,000 is calculated as completely exempted. So minus here 2,50,000 is already been calculated. Okay, 2,50,000 is this and 2,50,000 is this, which is calculated at 5%. 2,50,000 is nil, 2,50,000 is calculated at the rate of 5%. So remaining 1,40,000. So here up to 5 lakh we have calculated. After 5 lakh it has crossed 1,40,000. So excess 1,40,000, the same amount here we get as 1,40,000 into 20%, it comes to around 28,000. So more than 10 lakhs there is no sufficient amount for us, it is within 10 lakhs. So this slab rate ends here. Total will be 40,500. After this add education cess at the rate of 4 percentage, 1620. So total will be 42,120. So this is the tax liability of the individual assessee Mr. Ajay. So after coming to this tax liability, the third step will be the advance tax installments. Advance tax installments. As I previously mentioned that any SSCs related to companies, firms, individual, whoever it may be concerned, for assessment for individual dates will be given. That is, for advance tax installments dates will be given and prescribed rates will also be applicable. So we will apply that rates. First will be up to or before or up to 15th June. Take the tax liability amount 42,120. First installment will be cleared at the rate of 15 percentage. So amount comes around 6,318. So next up to 15th after June, the next advance tax date will be 15th September. Take the same amount. Here we have to pay up to 45 percentage. It has to be cleared. Yes, until 15th September he has to clear 45 percentage of his tax. Therefore, we have to calculate 45 percentage, but 15 percentage is already paid in June, right? So take that, deduct it. So it comes to around 30 percentage here. So into 30 percentage, it comes to around rupees 12,636. So next due date of installment is 15th December. Take the same tax liability amount into, in December he has to clear 75 percentage of his tax. Among that he has cleared 15 percentage in June, 15 percentage in September. It has been already paid. So now remaining 30 percentage in December, the amount will be same. Next, last installment date is to be cleared before 31st March. That is 15th March is the advance tax due date. 42,120 into, he has to clear 100 percentage of his tax payment minus he has already been paid in June, already paid in September, already paid in December. So remaining he has to pay only the 25 percentage of the tax. So it comes to around rupees 10,530. Total must get the same tax liability amount 42,120. So he has cleared this 42,120 in various installments. So this advance tax ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಲಂಸಮ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಲಂಸಮ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ reduced by making the small amount one by one installments ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಲಂಸಮ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲಂಸಮ್. Yes, 45 and 30 percentage must become totally 45 percentage. Yes, we got right. 45, 30 and 30 must get 75 percentage. Yes, we have got. Next, 45, 30, 30 and 25 must get 100 percentage. 15, 45, 75 and 100 percentage. So we have got the same percentage which has been prescribed, but while calculating we have to deduct the previous paid installments amount. So next we will move to the next problem. From the following incomes of Mr. S, calculate advance tax payable in installments for the financial year. Business income, income from HP, taxable income from other sources. It is same as previous problem. Business income 6 lakhs, income from HP 2 lakh, taxable income from other sources is 50,000. First of all, we have to ascertain whether to which category this assessee belongs to, whether it is a company, firm or an individual. So it is clearly stated that it is Mr. S, and we can ascertain that he belongs to individual category. So let's start with the problem. Third problem. First, income from salary will be nil. Second head will be income from house property. Amount is given as 2 lakh. Next is income from business and profession. Business income has been given 6 lakhs. Next, income from capital gains, no information. Other sources, it is given directly 50,000. 6 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 50,000, it comes to around rupees 8 lakh 50,000. So this will become the gross total income. Among this we have to deduct deductions under chapter 6a, that is related to 80C to 80U. As the problem is completely silent regarding any deductions, it will be taken as nil. Carry forward the same amount 8,50,000, which will be called as estimated gross total income. From this estimated gross total income, rebate is to be given only when this estimated gross total income is within 3,50,000. If it is so, what is the rebate amount to be given? If it is so, that is, if the estimated gross total income is less than 3,50,000, mandatory rebate amount is 2,500. That is prescribed amount given by the income tax department. So only this amount is to be given as a rebate. So here we need not to worry about this amount because our estimated gross total income crosses rupees 3,50,000 and hence rebate cannot be availed. So 8,50,000 will be the total income of the assessee Mr. S. As he is an individual assessee, we have to calculate the tax liability. So we will calculate the tax liability now. Second step is calculation of tax liability. Yes, as he is an individual assessee, the tax liability will be applicable on the basis of slab rates up to rupees 2,50,000, completely nil. Next to rupees 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, calculated at the rate of 5%. Take the difference, it comes to around 2,50,000 into 5% is 12,500. Next to rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakh, calculated at the rate of 20%. Yes, our total income is 8,50,000. Yes, it has crossed 8 lakh 5 lakh and it is within 10 lakhs. So this slab rate will be the end here. So okay, more than 5 lakh ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, within 10 lakhs ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5 lakh ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಆದರೆ 5 lakh ಬದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 10 lakh ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ 8,50,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. So 5, this is the difference, we'll take it the difference here. So remaining 3,50,000 will be the difference. So hege, once again I'll calculate and show you. 8,50,000 is the total income. Among the 2,50,000 is already calculated as nil. 2,50,000 is already calculated at the rate of 5%. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ calculated. 2,50,000, 2,50,000. So remaining will become 3,50,000. So this is the same amount which have been calculated here. If you don't understand, go through these steps. 3,50,000 into 20% is 70%, 70,000. So total, as the slab rates ends here, that is within 10 lakhs irodrinda, it will become end here. So total will be 82,500. As usual, add education cess at the rate of 4% on this amount, which is 3,300. So total is 85,800. So this is the tax liability